Welcome to NIA MUN IMPACT's virtual talent show. Thank you to all of you who have participated. You have really helped us work towards SDG 3, good health and well-being. The goal of this virtual talent show was to take time out from the craziness happening around us and truly take a moment to reflect on what is important, our mental health and well-being. If we do things to make ourselves happy, then we should really work towards doing more of them. The talents in NIA have been exceptional.
We've had talented musicians, creative artists, photographers, animations, athletes, and more. We want to thank you for sharing those talents with us. We hope that your talents can bring some joy and happiness to our school and encourage others to showcase how talented they are. Please sit back and enjoy, and we hope that this virtual talent show will help cheer up those January